Why does your scanner show the P1415 engine code? What does it mean? P1415 is a diagnostic trouble code for air pump circuit malfunction or air system malfunction in Bank 1. It indicates a malfunction in the secondary air injection system in Bank 1 of an engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty secondary air injection pump. Wiring or connector issues. Malfunctioning air injection check valve. Vacuum leaks. Blocked or leaking air hoses. Failed pressure sensor. Faulty relay or fuse. Carbon buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, BMW, Pontiac, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, GMC, Toyota, and Mercedes. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.